Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is 3D Shamrock channel and my name is Florin. I'm going to show you today another 3D printing project. I designed a small tea table or coffee table in Oriental style. This is made out of elements which dimensions could fit my 3D printer. It's assembled with metric 3 bolts and with a central 3D printed bolt and handle. You may see here the fixing elements under the tabletop. Let me show you how I printed this. This is the main table element printed without supports. You need in total 11 elements. On my printer the bridging was very good, as you may see in this image. The next is the table insert. You need also 11 pieces made out of another color of filament. This is the table leg. You need in total 22 pieces. This is printed with supports. This is the handle. It has a nut inside it. This is the bolt. You need one piece. This is the tabletop support. Also one piece is necessary. And finally, a spacer. Also one piece necessary. First, I clean the table element, especially in the corners, to be able to fit without problems the insert. Then I took off all the parts of the insert from the skirt. I cleaned them also. I had some small stringing issues. I polished them with sandpaper. And I assembled the insert parts into the table element using glue. This is how it looks, a complete assembly of the table element and inserts. I drilled the holes with a 3mm diameter drill bit to be easy to fit the screws. You may observe the groove which helps the table elements fit together in a rigid way. The table elements and the legs should be fitted together. So one screw assemble 4 parts. 2 table elements and 2 legs. Here is the way to screw in the bolts. And I assembled the complete table. The handle has inside a thread which fits the bolt perfectly. This is the tabletop support. And spacer. Then I fitted the tabletop support with the handle and that's it. The job is done. And this is the complete table. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and consider supporting me on Patreon. You may find the Patreon link in the description. You may download the STL files from My Mini Factory 3D Shamrock store for a small fee. Thank you very much. See you for the next project.